Hello.
And welcome to the Snakker kitchen. Hello. And welcome to our knife drawer.
Today we will be discussing the various utensils used for cutting vegetables. We shall use this.
Not for cheese.
We shall use this. Not for coffee. We shall use this.
Not for potatoes.
We shall use this. Not for pizza. We shall use this.
Because we need a knife.
We shall use this. Because it's the wife of this one.
Let's get chopping. This is an onion. To prepare the onion, we must peel the skin. Sometimes what you gotta do is you gotta take the nice knife, you just gotta like slice off the top. And from there you can just like pull it, you know? It's great. Oh, look at that butt! Who wants to eat a dirty onion? Not I, said the walrus. Alright. Now it's time for big top. Some onion on the ground, but yeah, that's okay. Because when you cook it, all that grime from the floor will just get cooked off, so that's all good. So we're gonna nicely dice up the onion. I really don't know what I'm doing, as you can tell. I don't often cut onion, but you know, that's okay. I think it's enough from Big Papa, so we'll just put them right there. See how well this is. Big Mama comes into play. So that, my friends, is how you dice an onion.
This is a cucumber. First thing you have to remember while cutting a cucumber is that you must take off the tip efficiently. For that, you must just chop it off. There's never overkill in terms of cutting vegetables. It should be able to bend without breaking. This is very thick, too thick. It bends over and it breaks in the middle. Not good. See how it flips back and forth? It bends over completely without breaking. Another tip for cutting the cucumbers is you should be able to see the knife through the cucumber as you're cutting it. In case you don't want your cucumbers to be in circles, we also have this thing. This thing is useful because it makes slices. I'm not sure what this is for, but I think it will work well. Seems that I've taken a chunk out of the cucumber. These are foul pieces, but this is what my mother likes.
These are tomatoes. We're going to show you how to cut tomatoes in two unique and different ways. I will start with this.
I will start with this. Ha! I've pierced its flesh!
I would not recommend using this to cut a tomato because it, well, doesn't really pierce the flesh. I've given up.
Ha!
Oh, you've succeeded, I'm jealous. I'll use this. The best way is to slice them in half first. Yeah. Oh.
This is not overkill. This is somewhat in half.
Next, you should carve out the insides, because who wants to eat the insides?
It's very important that the seeds and the skin are separate. They are not to be eaten together. For that, I use a slightly smaller knife.
Really clear out the seeds, because no one wants to eat the seeds, man. It's nasty. You gotta really scrape out the guts of the tomato. And the heart. That's how you know you have quality tomatoes. It makes that nice noise when you squish it down.
You shall take this. And I guess you just beat at it or something. Ooh, I made an indentation in the skin.
That's okay. I will use the beater on the seeds.
As you can see, this is a completely flat tomato. This will be all the rage at the parties.
So sometimes you want to just like peel it open like a butterfly almost, and then like look at it go. So this is like the bread of your sandwich. So then you scoop up those flattened out insides. Nice, the seeds. Then you kind of separate the seeds off. You just want the inside, really, the heart. You don't want the guts. Then you're just gonna lay it on top of each other. Get yourself a nice tomato sandwich.